Hello and welcome back. Up until now, we have built an AI employee that understands its role, has clear instructions, has skills, and can use tools. But there is still one major limitation. It only works when you ask it to. A real employee does not wait for instructions all day. They follow routines, react to changes, and manage work proactively. Today, we build that behavior. This is the difference between an assistant and an employee. An assistant waits. An employee works. Right now, your AI is reactive. It responds when you speak to it. After today, it becomes proactive. It starts its workday, reacts to incoming events, and reports back, all on its own schedule. 4 things we are adding: daily schedules, event triggers, autonomy levels, and escalation rules. By the end, your AI will start its workday automatically and manage its own routine without you prompting every step. Before we build anything, here is the mental model that makes all of this make sense. Every automation in co-work or any system has 3 layers. The schedule defines when work happens, the trigger defines what even starts the work, the action defines what the AI actually does. Everything we build today follows this structure. Once you understand it, you can design any workflow from scratch, not just the ones we build here. 2 types of workflow. Scheduled workflows are your AI employee's daily routine, fixed times, repeated every day, no manual trigger. Think of this like a real employee who starts with emails at 8, check progress at 1, and wraps up at 5. Event-based triggers are different. They fire when something happens in your environment. A new email arrives, a new file lands in your inbox folder. A Slack message comes in, your AI reacts automatically, in real time without you doing anything. Together, these 2 types cover the full range of autonomous daily work. This is where you control how independently your AI employee operates. 3 levels. Full auto means it executes without interrupting you, good for low-risk, ready-only tasks. Draft and hold means it prepares the output and waits for your approval before acting, right for drafting. Always confirm means it asks before every action, right for anything external or irreversible. For anything external or irreversible. The escalation rules define the situations where it must always stop, regardless of the autonomy level set. And the starter configuration at the bottom is where most rules should begin: conservative, tested, and then expanded. Your AI employee now starts work automatically, reacts to events, operates within rules, and reports back without being asked. 3 things that break the system: over-automating too early, build one workflow, test it, then add the next, skipping escalation rules. Your AI must always have a clear answer to this question: when should I stop? And skipping the simulation. Always run the full workday test before trusting anything to run unsupervised in production. The framework is simple: schedule plus trigger plus control. Remove anyone and the system breaks. In just 4 sessions, you have gone from writing prompts to building systems. Your AI now works independently, reacts and reports. You did not just build an AI employee, you built a system that works even when you do not. That is a wrap on the AI employee series on mastering Claude Cowork. Over these 4 sessions, you built something genuinely powerful: an AI employee with a defined role, persistent instructions, connected tools, and a daily autonomous workflow. You have gone from understanding what Cowork is to building a working AI agent that operates independently, reacts to real events, and reports back like a team member. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.